Now we are going to create a mounting position for the naca. So on this area. So the sketch for the mounting position, we have to copy it on the sketch on the naca. So we have to open the naca. Okay. So naca. All right. So this is the naca. Okay. So on the naca, we have to open the sketch of the plants. So we edit. So now this is the sketch of the plants. So we are going to copy this one, right? Just select and then Control C. And then we have to return back to our sketch. All right. So we are going to sketch on this area. So right click and sketch and then paste Control B. So this is already the sketch. Now we are going to position it properly by moving entities because now it's a bit high. So we are going to bring it down a bit. Okay, I think should be okay. Now if we want to rotate a bit, can be also done. Right, so let's say if this is the position, okay, check. I want to rotate a bit, so I select again the sketch and then I'm going to rotate using the rotate entities. Okay, so now we have the center of rotation, so I will use this one as the center of my rotation. Okay, and then I'm going to change the degree, so I want to be go down a bit. All right, so now I found it's a bit low, so I can move up a bit. So I check, okay, and then I select again, and then now I move entities. I want to move up a bit. So on the Y, I have to move up. Uh, all right. So for me, this is the ideal position. So I check, okay. Now I'm going to extrude cut, but I will use only the selected contours, which is on the middle only. Okay, we include also this small triangle, so we cut. So we are going to see if it's cut already. All right, so it's cutting already the body of the car, so I check. Okay, now it's already cut. Now I want to make the plants. So to make the plants, I have to cut first because of this portion, and then later I can make the plants. All right, so we are going to show the sketch using this eye, right? So now the sketch is there, so I can select again this drawing, can select this drawing, and then again I extrude cut once more, but now on the opposite direction. So selected contour, I delete this selection and I select this area. Okay, 1, 2, this area also, 3, and then I put the opposite direction going out. All right, and then check. So I already cut this portion. Now I'm going to make the plants. So to make the plants, I'm going to use the same sketch. All right, so I click the sketch and then I extrude both. So now we are going to extrude both the same contour. All right, but we are going to make it only maybe 3 mm or 5 mm. 3 mm is okay. Check. All right. Check. Now this is the plans of our mounting for our uh, nakadak. Right. Now if we want to make holes on this hole, can be also done. Just select again the sketch and then again extrude cut. But now we have to select the hole. So selected contours, we remove this one and we select all the holes. 1, 2, 3. Okay. We select all the holes. All right. Then we extrude cut. All right. On that direction, we increase. Okay. Check. So now we have already done the mounting position of the nakadak. Right. So okay.